Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield RedSec packet loss issue on PC. So if you are also going through this kind of error, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So the very first method is to check server status. So you are suggested to check the server status of Battlefield 6 or Battlefield RedSec game through EA servers status. So for that, go through the link I have already provided in the description, and you can see if there is any server downtime. So after opening the link, just you have to scroll down and check if any server downtime is going on. You can also search for the game on down detector website and check if any server downtime is there. If yes, then you have to wait for some time and then check if the problem is fixed. Next is to exit the game and restart it again. So if your game is on Steam, you just have to click on Steam option, then click on exit. After that, launch Steam again and then click on play option to check if the error is resolved or not. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as console. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now select power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. Now after restarting, you should also restart your console, and once you restart both of them, now check if the packet loss issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to update your network driver. So for that, go to the window search over here, search for device manager. Now go to network drivers, expand it, select your controller, right click on network adapters and click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will search if there is any update available for your network drivers, and after that check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to ensure your connection is stable. So you are suggested to restart your router. If you have network issues that lead to packet loss, this might help. So you are suggested to restart your router once, or you can also switch to wired connection and then check if the problem is fixed. Next method is to turn off VPN. So you are suggested to disable VPN before launching the game. If you are using any VPN, then you are suggested to disable it, and after that launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the problem. Next method is to reset your internet using command prompt. So you are suggested to enter all these commands one by one on command prompt. Just go to the Windows search for command prompt, or type command prompt. Yes, this will open. Now here you have to paste it one by one. Now next is to flush DNS. You have to paste it. After that, again paste this. Next is, and then finally paste this one, and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to change DNS settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for control panel. Now click on network and internet, network and sharing center, change adapter settings, select your internet, right click on it, click on properties. Now select internet protocol versions, select properties. Now select use the following DNS, and here you have to type DNS 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate you have to type 8.8.4.4, and after that click on OK, and then check if the issue you are coming across is resolved or not. Next is to reset your network settings. So for that, open settings, go to network and internet, then advanced network settings. So for that, go to settings. Now click on network and internet, then go below, click on advanced network settings. Now click on network reset, and here you can see reset now option. You have to click on it. Now after that, once the network is completely reset, you should check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here under process tab you have to search for those apps which are of no use. You simply have to close them. So after selecting them, right click on it, click on end task, and this will completely close the app from running in the background. After that, launch the game and see if the issue is fixed or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support team. So if none of the above solutions works, you are suggested to contact EA support. Link is already provided in the description. Just go through it, or you can also submit a support ticket, provide every details about the issue you are coming across, and then check if you get any help from the support team. You have to wait for some time, and after that check if the issue is fixed from the support team. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.